How to use Microsoft To Do 2015 for beginners. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft To Do. So let's not waste any more time and directly get into the video. So first of all, you have to open Microsoft To Do on your desktop or mobile device. You can also search for Microsoft To Do on Google and open their website, and after that you have to sign in using your Microsoft account. As you can see, I've already signed in. If you are using Outlook, Teams or Office 365, the same login works here too. Once you're in, you'll see your tasks default list like tasks, my day and important. So let's start by creating a task. So for that, you have to click plus icon or add a click on task and click on plus or add a task. So after clicking in, you have to press enter or under the task clicks and give it a name like buy groceries. Buy groceries, and you have to just press enter or tap the check mark to save it. You'll see it added to your task list. Task, and this is already added to my task list. And now click on the task to open its details. So after that, you can just click on the task, and here you can see the details, and you can add steps like buy milk, buy eggs, steps like buy milk, after it buy bread, and press on enter, and you can keep on going and uh, add some more tasks in its details. And you can also do that. These are subtasks that help break down your task into smaller parts. After that, while the task is open, click add due date. You can add due date, and you can select today, tomorrow or next week, or you can just manually put a date like I'll select 29, and you can save it. And uh, here that's how you can choose from today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a custom date. And after that, you can click on remind me, and example like remind yourself at 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. to buy those groceries on your home. You can also make it repeat daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule. So after that, click the my day tab on the left, and this is your daily focus space. It resets every day, so you can plan fresh. To add a task from another list, click suggestions. You'll see task due soon or with no due date, and you can click on the plus icon to bring it into my day. This helps you prioritize only the what matters for today without changing the original due date. So after that, you can click on new list. Click on new list on the sidebar and give it a name like work or home projects. So I'll give the name to work. Now you can add task specific to that list, and lists help you separate areas of your life, work, personal, study, etc. You can also assign different colors and icons to them for easy recognition. uh, like you can see easy recognitions. And if you have several related lists, group them together. Click three dots next to any list. And after that, select create group. Or you can also just drag and drop the list and move to another list. And this is perfect for managing clients or categories like shopping, errands and all. And after that, when you open a task, use the add note, section to drop extra infos like section to use the add note section to drop extra infos like you can add addresses, links or ideas. While Microsoft To Do doesn't use tags in the traditional sense, you can simulate it using hashtags in your task name or notes like urgent or call. Like you can just type urgent here. You can just keep it like that. And after that, you can share any list with other people. You have to just click share. You have to just click share, and you can as you can see, you can share any list with other people. You can just click the share icon in the top right corner of the list, generate a link, and after that you can invite via email, or you can just copy the link and paste it to the inbox or email, or whatever the way you want to give it to another person. Once they join, you can both add and complete tasks. Great for team projects, trip planning or grocery list with family. So Microsoft To Do syncs with Outlook tasks automatically. If you flag an email in Outlook, it shows up in your flagged email list like this. And tasks from Planner and To Do can also be accessed via Teams or Outlook calendar sidebar if you are using Microsoft 365. And once you are done with the task, you have to click circle next to it, and the task is completed. And you can restore task from here too. This keeps your list clean without losing your progress. You can just reselect it, and uh, you can restore the task and check in each morning. Review your day suggestion and plan your my day, and use short actionable names for tasks like email Sarah or fix websites bugs. Use reminders so nothing slips, and keep lists focused. Avoid dumping everything into one big list. So let me give you some keynotes or bonus tips. So you can include at the uh, end, and you can use this on Microsoft To Do. So let me tell you that my day resets daily. Use it as your personal focus zone without affecting due dates. Task can have subtasks and like this. Next step, and break big goals into bite-sized action. Everything syncs across devices. Use Microsoft To Do on your phone, tablet or desktop. Flagged emails become tasks automatically. Great integration with Outlook. Collaboration made easy. Share any list of real-time group planning. And keyboard shortcuts also can save your time, like Control plus T added new task, Control plus D set a due date, and Control plus Shift plus M will add to my day. And that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you on the next video.